Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we have beautiful jewelries to unbox together from the brand Linjer, and you guys know how much I love Linjer jewelry, and you know why? Because Linjer works for women empowerment. They always provide us the jewelry pieces that are look sustainable but for the most affordable price. So I feel like I'm wearing luxury pieces for the best prices. That is why I'm sticking to Linjer all the time. And their jewelry pieces are dainty but very sparkly, which I absolutely love. I think most of the women go for the most sparkly jewelry pieces, and Linjer it is. So there are two pieces. I can't tell you how excited I am, and you're going to say it now with me. So I'm not gonna lie, I already have opened these jewelry pieces because when they arrived I instantly had to unbox and check them if they were all good. So yeah, and I can tell you how obsessed I am with these jewelry pieces, but I immediately just packed them up because I wanted to see it again with you in front of the camera. So we are going to do it together. Also provide me with this little pouch, which is so cute and nice to save the jewelry pieces. Also comes with a card here, so nice, and everything, always the presentation I absolutely love. If you're wondering how Linjer can provide us affordable jewelries, so this is because they always use the recycled gold and silver material, and also they directly provides to the customer without any middleman, so they can save there and then provide us the best prices and make the jewelry pieces affordable. And I love that they're sustainable. I love how they think about the planet and cause less harm to the planet, which is just amazing. Let's see the first piece right here, and then I have to talk so many things about the brand. So let's do that. Are you excited? This comes in this little beautiful sapphire packaging, which I love so much. And we're going to see, oh, so it's here. Do you see what I have got? So this is the charm I got. This is the diamond letter charm that I got this time, and this has been my wish list for a long time. I got the letter A because A is my family name, so my last name Amin represents A. So always I go for S, which is Sadia, and then this time I got A, so now I have actually S and A, so both my initials, so that's why I got A. And A actually represents my name and my son's name, my daughter's name. Everyone has their name starting with A, so it means a lot to me. Wanted to have a diamond charm in my collection and a letter charm, and this is the first ever diamond letter charm. I have gold letter charms, but diamond is the first time. I'm so excited to add it to my necklace that I have been always wearing. So I am actually wearing two different ones. So this diamond necklace is also from Linjer. I got this last time I showed you. I can add this charm here, or I have another different necklace which has this letter charm S, so I can add A to this and it will complete my name, so that would be great too. So I'll add in both of the necklaces and show you how they look like. And also this little charm will go to not only necklace, I can also add it to my bracelets. I have a couple of gold bracelets here, so I can add the charm to any of this. Every way it should look good. I'll be showing you right now. So the name Linjer actually comes from Norwegian word which means line, and actually it totally represents how the jewelry pieces are. They are like very fine, very dainty, but very sparkly, so I think it's just perfect name for the brand. Name actually refers to small, minimal design like a line, so I think they are just perfect name for the brand.
News is I have a coupon code for you guys which will help you to save some. That is sparklingbeautybee underscore freebie.
New jewelry is that they can provide us the jewelry pieces almost about half of the price of current market. Like all other same level jewelry pieces are double the price and you're getting for half of it. So Linear is able to provide us almost half of the price of typical retail price, which is just so wonderful. And the reason why they can do it, because they sell the products online directly to the clients so that they can save there and provide us the best price, which is just so amazing. So this is how they can actually make traditional luxury jewelry pieces for extraordinary affordable price. So here you don't have to pay for the brand logo or the name, but you are getting high quality jewelries. And I'm so happy that this brand actually taking care of what we all girls need, making us look beautiful, providing us with the luxurious looking jewelries, best quality jewelries, but also they are thinking for their clients so that they can save but never compromise with their style, which is absolutely amazing. That is why I support the brand all the time. Next piece, it was actually nicely, it was tied up more in a nicer way, but I did tied up it because I told you guys one time I opened it so that I had to see, I could not resist, I had to see it. I was so curious to see how they look in person, and always these pieces look more beautiful in person than how I see in the page. So this is the ring. It's the most gorgeous ring. Do you see? I'm in so much love with this ring. This is a water drop shape. This is a gold Vermeil. So this time around I got two different materials, so metals actually. So this is gold Vermeil, and for the necklace I went for diamond and solid gold. So this is the gold Vermeil, and for the ring I actually love their gold Vermeil pieces so much because they actually tend to hold really well. Let me show you. So this is how the ring looks when I wear it. It's so gorgeous, very stylish, so happy with it. So good thing about gold Vermeil that their gold Vermeil pieces are actually gold plated, 22 karat gold plated on the top of silver, and it is a lot more thicker than the traditional gold plated jewelries. What I know, they are 5 times thicker than the traditional ones. That's why they can hold up really well. I'm wearing the other one, this ring right here, which is their blue topaz, and also here I have 2 of their rings. So these are their very popular ring. This one is a blue topaz and then open front ring at the bottom. So all of them are gold Vermeil, and I cannot tell you how amazing they're. I have been wearing them non-stop ever since I got them. You have seen in the past video I did unboxing of these rings more than a year back. A couple of them I got more than a year back, and I have been constantly wearing them, using them all the time, showering, washing dishes. But I usually, when I wear rings, I barely take them off until I change for any special occasion, change to next one, and they are just as new. There is no color fading or nothing. They look so perfect, even not any scratching, nothing. So good. Thing is that in this brand site you can actually find all different metals. You can find gold, solid gold, silver, diamond, and their gold Vermeil, and also you can find different kind of stones, gemstones, all different options for you anyone and everyone actually can find something for them because they have so many options. And obviously gold Vermeil pieces are a lot more affordable, while you never have to compromise your style because they just look like gold and so beautiful, and the quality is just absolutely amazing. Whatever you're paying for is totally worth it. And they always keep in mind to use those products that held up really well. They use solid gold, silver and gold Vermeil. They just stick to that, nothing else. What I have learned that they never actually use fast fashion brass metals, which is very good. And their diamonds are always conflict free, lab grown diamonds, which is also very good, and that's why they can give you for a really affordable price. You're wearing real diamonds, but you don't have to really pay that much for that. So pretty much everyone can afford wearing diamonds, and they're very sparkly. The style is never compromised. They look so beautiful. This little necklace that I have been wearing, this necklace that I got last time, they have like little diamonds here. These are also lab grown. All of their diamonds are lab grown, and they sparkle so much. I love it so much. I use it, I wear it all the time. Even the necklace, the gold, is very sparkly. So when I move, when I talk, there are sparkles there, but nothing overwhelming, which is so beautiful for every day. And I love that their packaging is also recyclable packaging, and also their shipping, they're offsetting carbon emissions for every shipment. I really love their gold pieces. Those are always 14K gold, recyclable gold. And the most beautiful part is that the color, the hue of the gold, which is like not too yellow. Like a lot of the gold jewelry when it's too yellow, like almost orangish yellow, I don't like it. So there are in different brands I have seen that yellow color varies a lot. Their yellow is very soft and it just blends with the skin really nicely. Looks so good, nothing too much. Even if I wear a lot of the jewelries, it doesn't look too much. And also the color is just so soft and nice, so I love their gold color. And they are hypoallergenic and nickel free, which is important for jewelry pieces which you want to wear every single day. They must be allergy free, and that is very important for me. I usually have like my piercing is a little sensitive. If I wear something, even like necklaces, if I wear something that is not hypoallergenic, I tend to get problems. Sometimes I have noticed that, but with Linjer jewelry I never face that problem. I also have different birthstone jewelries. You can find like for every month, birthday month, there is specific stone that they have. Not necessarily you have to match that, you can go for anything. For example, I am planning to add one of their amethyst pieces in my collection because I don't know why, if it's a trend or whatever, suddenly I have started to feel like I need some amethyst in my collection, and I'm looking forward to get one of their rings, amethyst ring, which is so beautiful. So I have this blue topaz. I have seen something very similar but in amethyst. I'm really going to grab that next time. And there are different design for birthstones as well, which are actually very sentimental pieces and great gift for any special occasion, birthdays, Mother Days. Those are just best for those special occasions. Charms, for example, this time I got this diamond charm, which is this little diamond charm. They have many different kind of charms, and charms are actually very trendy in this 2025. I think the trendiest jewelry piece is charm. All the brands are coming up with different charms, and they have like different meaning. They can make different stories. So charms are actually very special. And I think if you are a collector, you can find lots of different options there. We'll actually see many celebrities wearing Linjer jewelries because they're very trendy. They have classic pieces as well, and they are like wearable for every single day. I have seen Gigi Hadid is a big fan of Linjer jewelry. Also have seen Hailey Bieber wearing Linjer pieces. So there is a lot of fan of them, and I think if they can wear it, if they approve it, I think they're very stylish people. So that means that's what also inspires me to, first inspired me to try their products, because if those celebrities, they love it, that means there is something about it. But when I actually started using them, I know by myself how much I love them. I don't really need anyone else to, prove that it is good or bad. Like, I love it. I really so comfortable wearing linear pieces. Also, they have travel cases. I have one of the small travel case that is so convenient to have in my purse or in my luggage whenever I travel, because I carry like small rings matching with my dresses, and in that way it is easy to carry. And they have like different case options. So I think what you're getting for the price is just absolutely amazing. The price is so affordable, and so much they charge less than the current retailers. So if you compare, like what you're getting is, for the price, is just the best. So I tend to stick with the brand all the time. And there is so many different ways you can style linear pieces, because they have so many options. For example, this charm that I got, I can wear it in my bracelet as a charm. I can wear it in my necklace. There are many ways that you can, style different pieces. And their pieces are so much, weather appropriate. For summertime, they have like pretty pieces. Also for winter time, there are some, like if you go through all their jewelry pieces, there are so many options. And also depending on your personality, you can actually pick something for yourself. There are options for every day, for evening outing, for date night. You can always find something for everyone. And let me know what you think about the brand value and ethos. I think it's really amazing how they think about women empowerment, how they think about providing a good style to everybody, providing something for everyone, and keeping the price good, and making beautiful pieces so that everybody can at least find something for them. Quality is absolutely amazing. I have been using them for quite some time now, and I can tell you guys, the price is just unbeatable. The quality is unbeatable. It is so good. Like, even the gold is gold, but the gold Vermeil pieces, how beautifully they're holding up, is just mind-blowing. There are so many favorite pieces from the brand. I would say this blue topaz is I love them so much. Top pieces, I would say. You see, this piece is a very famous one. This is very popular. I love it so much. This is super sparkly, but also this blue topaz, this I cannot actually, it's hard to pick just one. All of the pieces I got from the brand, each of them are my favorite in many different ways. This one, this little topaz, got so many compliments because this is so unique actually. And this is my new piece, which is gorgeous. Can't wait to start wearing it from now, every single day, every single place. It's just so beautiful. I don't know which finger I'm going to wear it. Maybe here in the ring finger. It looks so beautiful. So let me know in the comment section, you guys, which piece is your favorite and what do you think about the brand. So I will be finishing this video here today, and I'll be seeing you next time on my next video. Till then, take care and see you again. Bye.